Thanks, Jamila. And staying with this particular report, because the National Integrity Action NIA Principal Director, Dr. Gavin Myers, says Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness must send a clear message that the serious allegations against Cabinet Minister will not be tolerated. Speaking with the news team on Thursday, Dr. Myers said he was uncertain about the specific action the Prime Minister should take, but noted that Dr. Holness should be guided by the precedent set in July 2018 when Dr. Wheatley resigned from the Cabinet amid the Petrodram controversy.
This is not the first time Mr. Wheatley has been involved in situations like this. And then the last time it was under same Prime Minister Holness then removed him from frontline duties when he was accused of previous action. So there is let's call it a pattern. There is a pathway that Prime Minister Holness himself has taken on this in terms of showing that his cabinet is not somewhere that he would countenance anyone who has been accused of this type of egregious wrong. So Prime Minister Holness himself has set a precedent. And it would be good if Prime Minister Holness followed the precedent that he himself has set.
Dr. Myers also argued that legislation is needed to provide clear guidance on how allegations of serious wrongdoing involving government ministers should be handled.
And I'm saying we here as a country, we have been calling for resignations, etc., when the IC bill itself is silent on how to act when someone has been accused of corruption in terms of whether they should stay in their job or not. And I think it's something that we, as a country, will have to look at, and the legislators will have to look at going forward.